Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to start with the new session. In this session, we are going to talk about one of the recent comment that I got on Swagger UI video. This is the video that we have created on implementation of Swagger UI, how you can integrate your Node.js API documentation with the Swagger. So this was the one of the comment that I will reiterate. How can you help me with the Swagger integration? I have integrated Swagger using your tutorial, and now the Swagger UI is generating successfully, but the parameter of any routes are not getting generated. If the parameter of any routes are not getting generated inside the Swagger UI, what you need to do is you just need to create the parameterized routes in the Node.js application. How you will do that? Let me take you to the VS Code first. So if you remember, if you followed my earlier session on the Swagger UI, you have noticed that we have created two routes. One is for the user info one, where I am extracting the username and password from the request.body, and the second route was a simple route. And corresponding to this, my Swagger UI will look like this, right? I'm refreshing it. Okay, so now you see that there is a two routes. One is a user info, there is a request body that you can see that, right? And the second one was the simple route, right? So now what we need to do is to achieve the parameterized route, we just need to go here. I'm just creating the one dummy parameterized route, router.get. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, okay, slash user slash colon user ID, okay, and slash book slash colon book ID, okay, comma. Here I am passing request comma response, and how I will get the value from the request. What you need to do is const, okay, request dot params, right, and I'm passing user ID comma book ID over here, and I am returning response.send user details like user ID and book detail with book ID. Okay, so now I have created the parameterized route. Now the next step, what we need to do is go to the terminal, run the command yarn generate doc. Now the latest doc has been already generated. Go to the browser, refresh the page. Now you will see that the new route has been generated, where user ID book slash book ID. Now you can see that you can see, like, you can pass the parameters over here, and which will be go to your API route, and you can able to access it, and it will show you the response.send as well. Mean to say, if you want to see the output while trying it out. So now I'm clicking over here, try it out. Now you fill the detail 1 2 3 4, book ID is 1 2 5. Okay, now I'm clicking execute. Now you can see that user detail, you can see the response body, you can see the parameters over here. If my understanding is correct, and the intent of this comment is to see that how you can render the parameter inside the Swagger UI, you just need to create the parameterized route first, then you will be able to see the parameter inside the Swagger UI. If you really like the video, then please click hit like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.